Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe for the creamy and light traditional Kashmiri dessert Phirin or Saffron Semolina Phirni. To begin, soak 1/3 cup semolina sooji in half a cup of water and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. This avoids lumps being formed when added to the milk. Soak a large pinch of saffron strands in warm milk and keep aside. Take a liter of full fat milk in a heavy bottom pan and bring it to a boil, stirring occasionally. Reduce the heat. Add in the soaked semolina. Cook on low to medium heat, stirring continuously. Until it is cooked and thickens a bit. Now add in 1/3 cup sugar, the soaked saffron, and a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well and continue cooking until it is a custard consistency and coats the back of the spoon. Turn off the heat, pour into serving bowls. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until set. Garnish with almond slivers and saffron strands. Since my kitchen is a nut-free kitchen, I have used crushed cardamoms instead. The Phirin is ready to serve. Serve chilled. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.